Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove ECU Hyundai Accent step by step. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Gather a 10 mm wrench, Torx bits, and a labeled tray for screws. Work in a well-lit area and wear gloves to protect connectors. Take photos of each connector before unplugging to ensure correct reassembly. Start by confirming the vehicle is off and keys are removed from the ignition. Open the glove box or remove the kick panel to access the ECU mounting location. Use a flashlight to inspect connectors and clip tabs for damage before removal. Keep a magnetic tray for screws and small parts to avoid losing them under the dash. Have replacement clips and dielectric grease ready for reassembly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: a great read is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and priorities. I find it pairs well with practical projects like car repairs since both build long-term freedom. Check the description for the link and special deals, and now let's get back to the video. First, gently pry off trim pieces and panels using a plastic trim tool to avoid scuffs. Unscrew the ECU mounting bolts and support the module as you lower it slightly. Press each connector's locking tab while pulling outward to free it, avoiding twisting motions. Inspect connector pins for corrosion and clean with contact cleaner if needed. Once removed, store the ECU on an anti-static surface and proceed with accent removal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.